Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen upgrades with the Kicimpro Faucet. This stylish and functional fixture promises to elevate your cooking space. Let's take a closer look at what makes it special. Whether you're going for a contemporary vibe or something more traditional, Kicimpro has got you covered. Stick around as we explore its features and benefits in detail. Why to chew? Kicimpro Kitchen Faucet with pull-down sprayer will let you break the concept of you get WHAD you pay for. You will get a high-quality kitchen faucet with 304 stainless steel and food-grade healthy. How care? We put your family health first. All materials for Kicimpro Kitchen Faucet with sprayer are qualified or food-grade. SUS 300 for main body constructed and precision ceramic cartridge keep you away from the trouble of rust and leakage. What we have, 23-inch extend pull-out design cover the whole sink, making the effective cleaning with larger area. Free water functional ways for RVB kitchen faucet spray stream pause meet your multiple tasks. Sprayer head is retracted smoothly and precisely under the weight control design. When you finish, it only takes you less than 15 minutes for kitchen sink faucets installation, as it is one-handed operation. Installation is a breeze, as easy as twisting a bottle cap, perfect fit for someone who loves DIY. No plumber needed, and you will save more than $80 for the easy installation. The packaging does not include a cover plate. What will you get? A pre-installation faucet, a weight ball, water lines, metal mounting nuts. The old version is black nut. The strict quality check. Each of our faucet has passed more than 5 times testings before shipment, such as water test, leak-proof test, packaging inspection, and so on, to ensure you will receive the perfect faucet for kitchen sink. Pros: highlight materials quality. Whether on the higher end, requires professional help. Lack of variety in finishes. 360-degree rotation. Cons: discuss whether it's budget-friendly or on the higher end. Mention if it requires professional help. Talk about any lack of variety. Thanks for joining us on this journey. The Kicimpro Faucet stands out for its design, functionality, and user satisfaction. If you're considering an upgrade, we definitely recommend it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite feature. See you next time.